Running Web3 nodes is broken. As a community member, you end up digging through Discord channels for help, downloading PuTTY, Docker, reading endless Git pages with command lines, scrolling through some 20-page setup guide that some other user made. Eventually, you give up and run your node through a node as a service provider. But those nodes end up in some Amazon warehouse or some other centralized data center. But that's okay, because DeEEP Network fixed it. DeEEP is introducing a completely different model, one where projects offer node hosting directly to their users. For example, instead of going through some 20-minute tutorial, you simply sign up for your subscription, sign a transaction that verifies you own the node, paste your burner wallet, and that's it. No downloads, no updates, no management, no downtime, and you can sign up before the node software goes live and get 30% off. So if you're going to be running a Warp node or validator, sign up now, lock in your discount. When launch day hits, you'll be up in less than a minute. Seamless, secure, decentralized. The way Web3 should be.